So as you can see, the chapter focuses on Nelson Mandela and her struggle to gain freedom for his country. And it is an extract taken from this portion, Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, it is written by Nelson Mandela also. And the Nelson Mandela, the Long Walk to Freedom, the text that has been provided in your syllabus has been an extract formation which has been taken from this uh, long story, which is termed as Long Walk to Freedom, and it is written by Nelson Mandela himself. Nelson रोलिन रोली लाला मंडाला. ठीक है, चलो तो देखते हैं कि क्या है चैप्टर में, पहले फिर इसको डिस्कस करते हैं. द चैप्टर टेल्स अबाउट that it provides a glimpse of the early life of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela क्या थे, कैसे थे, his education, 30 years in prison, remember that, it's not a matter of joke, 30 years in prison for the sake of his country, isn't it? We cannot extend a single step if there is no interest for ours. ठीक ना, खुद का अगर कुछ इंटरेस्ट ना हो तो फिर एक स्टेप भी हम लोग नहीं निकालते, और एक स्टेप भी किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए हम लोग हिचकिचाते हैं. लेकिन इन दिस केस नेल्सन मंडेला हैज़ स्पेंट 30 लॉन्ग ईयर्स इन प्रिजन फॉर द सेक ऑफ हिज कंट्री इन ऑर्डर टू गिव हिज कंट्री फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ऑपरेशन created or bestowed by the Britishers onto the black people. And the pains he had suffered in his young age. It also recounts his fight for the freedom of his own people who were tortured by the whites. ठीक ना, कि नेल्सन मंडेला was continuously fighting for his country in order to make it free from the oppression bestowed by the whites on the blacks. ठीक, his country was suffering from apartheid. Apartheid means racial discrimination. So in order to give his people freedom from this oppression, he chose the path of struggle. He united lots of patriots who struggled along with him, and at the day of oath he was remembering them all, and he was thinking himself that perhaps he could thank them because they were the same valuable stars in the fight for the country. So the chapters Mandela provides two contradictory pictures. क्या दिखाए? One in which the blacks were tortured and suffered. कैसे blacks people, blacks means the people, blacks who are black, मतलब the skin of those people are blacks, the Negroes rather. It is not at all good terms. How the blacks were tortured and suffered in Africa. Second, the blacks will be free to live the life of their own. How they fought the Britishers, how they fought the white people and gained the victory at the end. The chapter will also discuss that path of struggle or that path of thrones. ठीक, okay. So up to these, any queries?
No, sir.
Okay. কজন পড়েছিস বাড়িতে এই চ্যাপ্টারটা? Have you ever gone through this chapter?
No, sir.
No. So listen carefully. ठीक है, मतलब स्टोरी की तरह सुनना है इसको. अगर उसको ज़बरदस्ती रीड करने जाओगे तो फिर बोलना है कि सर क्या बोरिंग चैप्टर है, क्या नाम है, कुछ याद नहीं रहता है. ठीक है, लेकिन ये स्टोरी की तरह इसको सुनना है, स्टोरी की तरह ही इसको पढ़ना है, समझना है. द स्ट्रगल दैट दे फेस्ड दैट टाइम इन ऑर्डर टू गेन फ्रीडम. अब बोलोगे कि सर फ्रीडम की क्या ज़रूरत है, जैसा है वैसा तो है ही, है ना, उतना स्ट्रगल करने का क्या ज़रूरत. तो ज़रूरत क्या है इसको पढ़ने के बाद समझ पाओगे. देखो तो इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स क्या है नेल्सन मंडेला लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम में. Important characters है Nelson Mandela himself, the first black president. Remember, he was the first black president of South Africa, fought for the equal rights of the black. ठीक, equal right होना ज़रूरी है. Next, Zinani. Zinani was the daughter of Nelson Mandela, who accompanied by Mandela in his inauguration day. She was very much close to his father, Zinani. Thabo Mbeki, ठीक, Thabo Mbeki, first deputy president of South Africa. Remember all those things. First deputy president of South Africa. Mr. De Klerk, second deputy president of South Africa. ठीक है, second deputy president of South Africa. Clear? Okay. Next. चलो. So the inauguration day starts at which date? 10th May. ठीक है, 10th May the inauguration day starts. Most probably 1939 or 1940 की 1941. ठीक है, 1939 to 1941, within this period this inauguration took place. Okay, so was that. अब इतना लेट करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा. ओके, so the 10th May, the day of oath. It was the day of oath. Why it was a day of oath? Because Nelson Mandela was going to take the vow as the first prime minister or first black president, as the first black president of South Africa. The day was Shairi. The Nelson Mandela was going to take oath as the first black president of South Africa. A large number of leaders all from around the world had gathered there to be the witness of the swearing in ceremony of Nelson Mandela as the first black president. The inauguration ceremony took place in a big open building in Pretoria House. Okay, in Pretoria House, where the first democratic non-racial government was to be installed. ठीक है, तो इनॉग्रेशन डे को क्यों हाईलाइट किया गया है? व्हाई इज दिस इनॉग्रेशन डे हैज बीन हाईलाइटेड ओवर हियर? बिकॉज दिस इज द प्राइम थिंग. दिस वाज द डे फॉर विच ऑल द साउथ अफ्रीकन वाज लॉन्गिंग फॉर, दैट इन ऑन दिस डे द ऑपरेशन एंड द apartheid culture of white people will be end forever. Apartheid means the racial discriminations will be end forever. They will be free. They can roam around. They can live around with free spirit, full of joy and happiness. For this day, all those struggle that they faced from the white people, for this day Nelson Mandela and his friends, the freedom fighters, were all waiting for. Take. Now the swearing ceremony started. In Nelson Mandela said, Nelson Mandela was accompanied by his daughter Zinani. Mr. De Klerk was the first person who took oath as the second deputy president, followed by Mr. Thabo Mbeki, who were sworn as the first डिप्टी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट किसने ओथ लिया था? के नहीं है सबर फर्स्ट ओथ सेकेंड डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर डी क्लार्क, देयर आफ्टर फॉलोड बाय द फर्स्ट डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट थाबो म्बिकी. ठीक है, तो नेल्सन मंडेला स्वेयर्ड एज द फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. ही प्लेड्स टू ओबे एंड अपहोल्ड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस एंड टू डिवोट हिमसेल्फ टू द वेल बीइंग ऑफ द पीपल. He also promised to make the nation free from poverty, deprivation, suffering and all sorts of discriminations. So it is a tradition or custom that president also needs to take oath, and while taking oath he promised that he will make his country free from poverty, deprivation, suffering and all sorts of discriminations. ठीक है, चलो एक और चीज़ डिस्कस करते हैं. Let me discuss something others, that don't you think that it will be injustice for Nelson Mandela to invite all the superior heads or all the leaders all over the world in the inauguration ceremony, when he was tortured by them as well. ঠিক, তো ব্রিটিশার্সদের কি ইনভাইট করা খুব দরকার ছিল, দ্য লিডার্স অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, অফ দ্য लीडर्स ऑफ द ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड और द ग्लोब, ब्रिटिशर्स को इनवाइट करना क्या ज़रूरी था उस केस में? यस, अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला both the oppressor and the oppressed should be free, because he thought that the oppressor also guided by some motive which is not of his own but by others, कि ऑपरेसर जो है उसका भी कुछ मोटिव है जिसके द्वारा वो गाइडेड होते हैं, जो कि वो उसका नहीं है, किसी और का होता है। ठीक, ऑपरेसर भी किसी हद तक ऑपरेस नहीं करना चाहती जब तक कि तुम ऑपरेस्ड हो। तो इसलिए अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला बोथ द ऑपरेसर एंड द ऑपरेस्ड शुड बी रिलीफ। इसको आते हैं यहाँ पे, वी विल डिस्कस इस लेटर थ्रू क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स मोड। नेक्स्ट क्या होता है? डिस्प्ले ऑफ मिलिट्री पावर बाय द साउथ अफ्रीकन जेट्स। नाउ द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट ब्लैक प्रेसिडेंट्स वर टेकिंग ओथ, was taking oath at that time, so everyone was filled with joy. When Mandela had taken oath, South African jets displayed the military power. It also showed the loyalty of military to democracy. The highest military general saluted him. He recounted that they would have arrested him many years ago or many years before. Nelson Mandela सोच रहे थे उस समय पे कि now they are also giving me salute. They could have arrested me many years before. वो बहुत पहले ही हम मुझे अरेस्ट करके मार दे सकते थे, लेकिन नहीं किया ऐसा, so that I could see or visualize this freedom of my country. It was followed by the playing of two national anthems. Why there is two national anthems? Because white culture is also there, is also prevailing in that time.
Sir,
हाँ,
can I rejoin? आपका आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है।
आवाज़ ब्रेक हो रहा है, मे बी नेटवर्क
हाँ।
इशू है तुम्हारी वहाँ पे। सबके लिए तो नहीं हो रहा ना? ठीक है, रिजॉइन कर लो। इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम गोइंग persists there, please let me know. I won't be able to visualize your message when I am instructing the text. ठीक, म्यूट बटन ऑन करके उसको बता देना कि सर ये हो रहा है, ये दिक्कत हो रहा है। चलो नेक्स्ट। ओके, द वाइट सैंग, व्हाट इज द नेशनल एंथम फॉर द वाइट्स? Nkosi Sikel, the old song, and the black sang Die Sturm or Die Stem, the new song which marked the end of ceremony. ठीक है, ब्लैक पीपल के लिए नेशनल एंथम क्या था? डाई स्टेम, एंड वाइट पीपल के लिए नेशनल एंथम था इंकोशी शिकेल। ठीक, शिकेल रादर, दिस वाज इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस वाज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ द apartheid culture in South Africa. Nelson Mandela reminiscence about days gone by which will soon be the part of history, where the whites has formed a system of racial dominance against the blacks. Now on this auspicious day, Nelson Mandela was remembering all those things, that this day today is soon going to be a part of history, because it will mark the end of racial discriminations on the blacks. ठीक है, ये उसका सोच था। तो उस सोच से वो बहुत आगे जा चुके थे उस समय पे, लेकिन आज भी रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से है, रेशियल डोमिनेंस है हमारे सोसाइटी में। ठीक है, क्योंकि वो मन ही मन हम लोग पालते हैं, लेकिन ऊपर से दिखाते हैं कि चलो हम लोग वी आर फ्री टू ऑल, वी आर फ्री टू एक्सेप्ट एनी वन, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट काइंड, इजंट इट? So it was the basis of the harsh societies which is now overturned. तो racial dominance को why it is necessary why it was necessary to end racial dominance? Because it was the basis of the her societies. Now it was being overturned by the black people by nominating Nelson Mandela as their first black president of the country. He says that the policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in his country and its people. Now this policy of apartheid will be an important term. Why? Because apartheid will refer to racial discrimination, and it is the very valuable point of this chapter, that created a deep and lasting wound on his country and its people. अब देखो किसी भी जगह पे जाओ, कोई तुम्हें अगर ऐसे कह के चिड़चिड़ा है कि ब्लैक पीपल, ब्लैक नेटिव, ब्लैक इंडियंस, so is it good to hear? It is not, isn't it? So they were facing this for years in every aspects, in every forms of or in every arms they were being humiliated by the white people only because of their colors or skin tone. They were not allowed to take education on those prestigious institutions. They were not allowed to roam free. They were not allowed to purchase good materials or read good books because of their skin tone. These sorts of dominance they had to face at that time until Nelson Mandela appeared as their savior. ठीक है? Now it is a system that recognizes the rights and freedom of all people. Now this system is going to recognize the rights and freedoms of all the people. ठीक? Before that it was all gloomy, all dark outside. There was no hope for the black people when they would get rid of those tormented or those oppressors. Here and there they were oppressed by those white people. Sometimes they used to drag the woman or the female member of their families outside and do whatever they want with them. They are forced to leave their house, leave their shelters, leave their food when the white used to oppress them. All these things rendered the heart of Nelson Mandela, and he devoted his life towards the freedom of his country. Now the regret of Mandela and remembrance of freedom and of freedom fighters. On the auspicious day, Mandela regretted the loss of thousands of people and remembered their sacrifices. कि क्या किए थे और क्या नहीं किए थे. ठीक है, मार पीट, प्रिजन, इम्प्रिजेंट हो जाना, 30 years तक लॉकअप में रहना. ठीक है, मारते मारते किसी को मार भी दिए थे, उनके साथियों को. तो he was all remembering at that time when he was taking oath as first black president. He thought of himself the sum of all those American patriots who sacrificed their lives before him. तो उसके सामने जो लोगों ने अपना प्राण भी त्याग दिया अपने कंट्री के फ्रीडम के लिए. He was thinking himself as the sum of all those African patriots, कि मैं ही हूँ, मुझ में वो लोग है. वो लोग देख रहे हैं आज कि because of their struggles now their country is free from the oppressed people. He was pained that he could not thank them. That time he was feeling that pain in his heart that he could not thank them personally by going to them, holding their hands and say thank you for your entire life that you have given for this neglected country. He recalled great freedom fighters. कुछ freedom fighters के नाम भी यहाँ पे जो कि important, like Oliver Thorbos, Walter Sisulu, Chief Luthuli, Yusuf Dadoo, etc. ठीक है. तो once he said the country is rich in minerals but its greatest wealth is its people. So how much love he used to do with his countrymen, you can understand by this statement. सबसे पहले उसके लोगों अपने लोग थे, that you should make free your own people. कंट्रीमैन के बिना वो कुछ सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, और अभी हम तो खुद के बिना कुछ नहीं सोचते, है ना? यही तो दिक्कत की बात है. नाउ goodness and duties of man. So Nelson Mandela also described in his biography that, or in his autobiography, that the duties a man should do in their lives or in his life. Mandela says that being white or black is not the token of your goodness or superiority. कि तुम white हो इसलिए तुम superior हो, तुम black हो तुम बहुत उच्च नीच हो, तो इससे कुछ पहचान है नहीं. नो वन इज बॉर्न हेटिंग अदर्स. पीपल शुड लव वन अनदर विच कम्स विदाउट फोर्स एज इट इज नेचुरल. कि व्हेन वी टेक बर्थ, then there is no hatred within ourselves. It is people or society that puts hatred within us for each other. कि उनसे बात मत करो, এর সাথে কথা বলো না, তার সাথে কথা বলো না, আমাদের बिराबरी की नहीं है, हम लोगों के बिराबरी की नहीं है, वो दूसरे धर्म का है, दूसरे कल्चर का है. जब जन्म लेते हैं हम लोग, क्या हम लोगों के पास ये सब ज्ञान होता है? ये सब ज्ञान नहीं होता है. इट इज़ आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर सोसाइटी, आवर कल्चर्स दैट make us like them. But according to Mandela, people should love one another. People को love सीखना चाहिए, which comes without force as it is natural. तो love, expression of love, it is natural. There is no force at all. ठीक ना? जब भी हम प्यार करते हैं किसी को तो वो नेचुरली आता है. There is no forced or biased culture in it, isn't it? It is man's essential goodness. According to Nelson Mandela, this thing is necessary and it will bring goodness to human being soul. A man cannot be a good human being until and unless there is love within him. अगर प्यार ही नहीं है वो डेविल के बराबर है. ठीक है. A man has to perform duties to his family, community and country. क्या करना है इंसान को कि फैमिली के ऊपर ड्यूटी जो है वो उसको देखना है, कम्युनिटी के ऊपर भी एंड कंट्री के ऊपर भी, which he didn't see in his country before he pushed himself to fight for the blacks. Now no one in his country would do that until and unless he and some of his admirers pushed them towards the good for their country, particularly for the black people. A black man was punished if he tried to live like a human being and forced to live apart from his own people. क्यों नहीं करते थे? Why they were not putting that much effort to gain freedom? Because they were being tormented. They were being forced to live apart from his own people. कि फैमिली से दूर रहना पड़ता था उन लोगों को. इतना टॉर्चर करते थे, फैमिली को मार देते थे, फैमिली मेम्बर को उठा के ले जाते थे, एके নিয়ে গেল তাকে নিয়ে গেল, খাবার নষ্ট করে দিল, বাড়ি ঘরদোর ভেঙে দিল. সো হি ওয়াজ নট অ্যালাউড টু পারফর্ম হিজ ডিউটিজ টু হিজ ফ্যামিলিজ. তো এইভাবে কি তাকে অ্যালাউ করা হতো না, वो अलाउ नहीं करते उन लोगों को कि भाई तुम भी जाओ, ज्वाइन करो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल को एंड अपने फैमिली को सर्व करो. Mandela mentions that every man has twin obligations. तो मंडेला उसी को ऑब्लिगेशंस के रूप दिए, ऑब्लिगेशंस के टर्म दिए. ऑब्लिगेशन मतलब दाय जो है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होता है. क्या है? द फर्स्ट इज टू हिज फैमिली, पेरेंट्स, वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रेन. द फर्स्ट ड्यूटी एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग शुड मेंटेन to his family, parents, wife and children. The second obligation is to his own people, means the country folk, his community and his country. कि जो भी दूसरे लोग हैं वो तो मेरा ही लोग है, ठीक ना? The countrymen तो देयर आर twin obligation, two responsibilities every human being should follow. It is the family first, then it's the country, the community and the people who lived within it. ठीक है, तो नेल्सन मंडेला के फ्रीडम के मंत्र क्या है और मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला इज, तो वेन एवर नेल्सन मंडेला एज अ किड हैड डिफरेंट मीनिंग फॉर बीइंग फ्री, कि फ्रीडम का कुछ दूसरा ही मीनिंग था उसके पास. क्या? ही वांटेड टू रन इन द फील्ड्स एंड वांटेड टू स्टे आउट एट नाइट, कि खेत में घूम सकूँ, रात में फ्रीली मूव कर पाऊँ, ये सब फ्रीडम था उसके लिए. As he grew older, he wanted the freedom of livelihood for himself and his family. जब वो बड़े हुए तब समझ में आया कि फ्रीडम का मीनिंग क्या है. Then he wanted the freedom of livelihood, कि जीवन व्यतीत करने का फ्रीडम होना चाहिए. How we will spend our life, it is not decided by others, or it will not be decided by others, but by myself or but by me. And this is the ultimate point. If you could take your own decision how you want to live your own life, that will be called freedom. आज के दिन पे भी हमारे सोसाइटी में वो महत्व है नहीं, সেই ভ্যালুয়েশনটা দেওয়া হয় না এখনও আমাদেরকে. We could not live life like our own way, isn't it? So in that respect we can say that we are still not independent, we are dependent on the decision of our government, so called government. ठीक है, वो लोग जैसे चाहेंगे वैसा ही हम लोगों को घूमना फिरना है. जैसे कि हिंदुत्व आ गया, मुस्लिमबाजी आ गया, क्रिश्चियनिज्म आ गया, ठीक ना, तो गवर्नमेंट बोल दिए कि सिर्फ हिंदू को देखना है, बस मुस्लिम को मारो जाके. ठीक, तुम नहीं घूम सकते, रात हो गया है. ठीक है, तुम রাত को काम नहीं कर सकते, রাতে তুমি বাইরে গিয়ে কিছু খাওয়া দাওয়া করতে পারবে না, ঘুরতে পারবে না. ইউ ক্যানট হ্যাং অ্যারাউন্ড উইথ ইউর ফ্রেন্ডস বিকজ सोसाइटी डज नॉट गिव यू दैट मच परमिशन. ठीक, रात को कम करना अलाउड नहीं है लड़कियों के लिए, जा नहीं सकते. क्यों? लड़के लोग कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो तो सांड है ना, खुले हुए सांड. तो ऐसा भी है कंट्री, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस से डिफरेंट थिंग, बट द पीपल ऑफ सोसाइटी will teach you different thing. And when all people will start to feel this or that much pain that a female member of society feels, then we can say that it is not far to have that perfect sense of freedom what Nelson Mandela wanted to bestow for his country. He wanted the freedom for his livelihood that time, but soon he realized that such freedom was only an illusion. ILLU होना जरूरी है यहाँ पे, आई नहीं, कि वो सब illusion है. He realized that his brother and sisters who looked like him were not free. Now he realized that my brother and sister, मतलब the country folk, the country people, is not at all free. Thereby he joined African National Congress to lead his country, कि मुझे कंट्री को लीड करना है, कुछ चेंज करना है, सोसाइटी में कुछ चेंज लाना है. आई नीड टू बिकम और आई नीड टू जॉइन अ पार्टी in order to become a party member, in order to guide people from front side. His hunger for freedom became great for the freedom of his people. जो भी हंगर फॉर फ्रीडम है ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया उसके पास. इस काइंड ऑफ द मोस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर टू हिम नाउ. He desired that everyone should be given the right to live his life with dignity and respect. ठीक, everyone has that, everyone should give everybody should give everyone that much dignity or respect that he is or she is allowed to have, or that or he or she need to have. One should always keep one's head high in order to live free, or in order to fight with odds that the society will bestow on you. Until and unless your head is high, you will succumb to the traditions of society. कि जो भी है सोसाइटी के जो लोग हैं कि मतलब ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते, जा नहीं सकते, खेल नहीं सकते, कूद नहीं सकते, इससे तुम खुद को रिकॉन्साइल करने लगोगे, मतलब उसको ही तुम मान लोगे. So you should have your own respect and dignity, and Nelson Mandela was fighting for that, that every people of his country should have that dignity or respect from other also. He wanted the oppressor and the oppressed to be liberated. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा गया है, the oppressor and the oppressed to be liberated, as no one is free if one is talking someone else's, sorry, if as no one is free if one is taking someone else's freedom. ठीक, ऑपरेसर जो है वो भी तो ऑपरेस्ड का जो फ्रीडम उसको ले रहा है. अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला वो भी फ्री नहीं है. ही इज ऑल्सो फिल्ड विथ लॉट्स ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकॉज ही वॉज बेस्टोड विथ दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ टेकिंग फ्रीडम फ्रॉम अदर्स, कि दूसरों से फ्रीडम को छीन लो, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसके ऊपर है. तो इन दैट सेंस वो भी तो फ्री नहीं हो सकता है ना. तो ओनली सच फीलिंग कैन ब्रिंग ट्रू फ्रीडम फॉर एवरी वन. वेन वी स्टार्ट टू फील द सेम थिंग, दैट जो हमारा ऑपोजिशन है, जो भले नहीं सोचते हम लोगों के लिए, उसको भी फ्री करना है, उसको एक साथ लेके हम लोगों को सोसाइटी को बिल्डअप करना है, उसको छोड़ के नहीं. When that people will start talking about you कि नहीं वो सही थे, उस समय पे मैं गलत था, then actual movement of freedom will start. सभी लोग बोलना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. देखना, जितना तुम दूसरों को इग्नोर करोगे उतना तुम्हारे ऊपर चीज़ें चढ़ता ही जाएगा. तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, yes, it is also necessary to avoid others, but not always. You should build your ways in that way so that that person or those people who once neglected you or said against you, they should think about you and talk for you now. Then the actual meaning of freedom will be established, the actual sense of freedom will prevail. Nelson Mandela and his friends were fighting for that for long. And after wasting 30 years in prison, now that time has arrived when he was taking oath as the first black president after a long struggle of South Africa. It was a autumn day for South Africa. Why autumn day? Because at that time Nelson Mandela, the first black president, was taking oath for the first time for his country. It was a great day for them, and the great day has been referred as autumn day in South Africa. ठीक है, तो यही था टोटल चैप्टर, ऑल ओवर द चैप्टर जो सिनॉप्सिस है और द मेन आइडिया है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन प्लीज़ आस्क मी, आई विल डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस हियर. बोलो, एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी दिक्कत अप टू दिस? The first one, what twin obligations does Mandela mention? बोलो. Any answer regarding this? What twin obligations does Mandela mention? It is maintained over here. It is already been mentioned over here that Mandela mentions that every man has twin obligations. The first is to his family, parents, wife and children. The second obligation to his people, his country, community, country and his community. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो क्या है।